Nissan unveiled the 2025 Kicks, a bold new design, more available technologies, versatile interior space, and a confident driving experience highlight the transformation of Nissan's popular crossover. Every Kicks grade is offered with optional intelligent all-wheel drive, providing additional confidence and control in many weather conditions and road surfaces. At first glance, the 2025 Nissan Kicks makes a strong impression with its bold and expressive design. The dashboard features a dual-screen setup, one for the instrument meter and one for the infotainment system. The standard meter measures 7 inches, while the Kicks SR upgrades to a 12.3-inch unit with 2 display modes, Classic and Enhanced View. A new design steering wheel features a flat bottom. All Kicks grades employ a 2-liter inline-4 engine rated for 141 horsepower and 140 pound-feet of torque, coupled to the latest generation of Nissan's Xtronic transmission. Tell me in the comments, how do you like this model?